the topic is algebraic expression, right? The algebraic fraction. We know that algebra is a branch of maths that has to do with, and algebra is a branch of maths that has to do with data and numbers, and we know what fraction means. Fraction, that's you have the numerator and then the denominator, right? And then here, considering this expression, this will be our numerator and this will be what our denominator. We have an expression of this nature, which is a quadratic inclined. Okay, this is what quadratic inclined. We have y squared plus 2yz plus z squared divided by y squared minus minus z squared, and we are to simplify this. But we know that if you have 2yz is the same thing as saying yz plus what? Plus yz, right? And then here we want to be able to, considering the numerator y squared plus 2yz plus z squared, here this is the quadratic equation in nature. Okay, quadratic equation in nature, so that here all we need to do is to multiply this y squared and z squared, and by the time we multiply this to cycle it, because it's not important in our solving. Are you getting me? This is not important in our solving. Now, at this point, look for factors of y squared, z squared. Look for factors of y squared, z squared. In such a way that when you multiply, you have this, then when you add, you will do this. And the factors will be what? Yz, and then the second factor will be what? Yz. Now, by the time we add yz plus yz, we have what? 2yz. And when we multiply yz times yz, this will give us y squared, z squared. Okay? You understand? Then at this point, we can now expand our expression. We can now expand this expression to become y squared plus yz plus yz plus z squared. This is the same with this, okay? This is the same with this. Remember, by the time we add this and this, if you now add this and this, we will still have this. Now, if you look at this equation very well, you discover that nothing has changed from here, right? Nothing has changed. If you add yz plus yz, it will give us this, and when we multiply, we will still have this. Now, at this point, try to group your equation into two parts, okay? Try to group your equation into two parts, so that the first part will be y squared plus yz, and then the second part will be yz plus z squared. And at this point, try to factorize your equation. What do I mean by factorize? Now remove what is common in between the two numbers here. That's remove what is common between y squared and yz. And if you look at it carefully, you discover that y is common here and y is common here. Y in the second bracket, z is common here and z is common here. At this point, by the time we factorize this, we now have y into what? Y plus z. And then here, by the time we factor out z, we now have z into what? Into y plus z. And the quadratic equation, at this point, this will be in the form of the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation, if you arrive at this point, you pick one of the brackets and then pick at the outside factors. At this point, this and this are common, okay? This and this are common, so you pick one of the brackets and then the outside factors, so that the whole of this equation now becomes y plus z into what? Y plus z as from the numerator. Okay, this will be what? The numerator. This will be the numerator. Now, from the denominator, we have z squared minus, we have y squared minus what? Z squared. And this way, this is also a quadratic equation in nature, right? This is a quadratic equation in nature. At this point, how do we solve an equation of this nature? We use difference of 2 squared. Are you getting me? We use difference of 2 squared in such a way that this will be the same thing as y minus z all squared. This will be the same thing as that. So that at this point, you see the idea, applying the idea of difference of 2 squared. Since if one of the factor is minus, then the other will be what? Will be positive. So that this will be the same thing as y minus z into y plus z. And this will give us the denominator. Okay, this will be what? The denominator. At this point, the whole of our equation, the whole of our equation y² plus 2yz plus z², all divided by y² minus z². This now becomes the whole of this now becomes y plus z and then y plus z. And from the numerator, while the denominator now becomes y minus z, and we have y plus z. So that if we have y plus z into y plus z, and then we have y minus z into y plus z, we now have this is common to this, right? This is common to this, and then this will now cancel themselves. Are you getting me? This will now cancel themselves. What will be remaining now will be y plus z into y minus z, and this will now give us the final answer to that. This will be what the final answer to that.